through the stuff that I'm going to be using today to do the oil change. I'm going to use a pair of ramps. If you have any other way of lifting the vehicle, obviously it's even better if you have a lift or some other way. I'm going to be using the ramps today. Obviously you need something to drain the waste oil in. This is an old bucket that I've been using for this sort of stuff. You're going to need your oil, which is a 4.7 liter. This is the amount you would need for a full oil with oil filter change. And then I'm going to be using today spanner. This is an oil spanner or oil wrench, whatever you want to call it. This is quite aggressive. Obviously when I'm taking the old one I don't really care if I damage it, and then when I install the new one sometimes I tighten it by hand. Or in today's video actually I'm going to review a tool, a strap filter wrench, which was kindly sent to me by a eBay seller. So I'm going to review this and let you know if it's any good, and if you like it obviously I'm going to be putting links in the description if you want to purchase it yourself. For the sump plug you're going to need this square drive. This is a 8mm square socket, so this is what you need for Renault. And this is the BOSCH filter. You could see the code, and this is 1.9 Dci engine with the 100 horsepower. So this is what I need, and obviously something to lie on, because you don't want to be lying on the ground if you're doing it outside like myself. So I hope you enjoy this and I hope you find it helpful.